Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you on how you can simply outline a text in LightBurn. Of course, the first thing that you want to do is to actually put your text first. In my case, I'm going to do something like don't enter. And then of course from there you could adjust it accordingly. In my case, I'm going to be simply making it this big. And now what you actually need to do is to click on the outline option or the offset option. So it's going to be this specific button right here. So just click on it and then select the distance offset of your specific offset. And so of course you could adjust this and basically you can preview it live. So in my case, I'm basically doing it this way. And now you have the ability to do something like corner, bevel, or something like round. In my case, I'm going to be doing it outward. Let's then click on OK. Now, just to show you, I'm going to turn off the field rendering. And basically right after, we have managed to outline the text itself. Now, I actually want to remove this blemishes right here because I don't want this to be outlining the text inwards. So what I want to do is to first click on the pointer option, and I'm going to click on the outline. And what you want to do in order to remove the blemishes is to right click on it, click on ungroup, and then you want to manually select the blemishes individually. So it's going to be this one. Let's then hit on the delete button on our keyboard. Same thing with this one. And now you can just move it back to its original position. I'm going to highlight both text. I'm going to move it accordingly. And you can also do this easily by simply highlighting all of your objects and then pressing this center button. So it will basically center all of the objects that you have. But just to make it safe, I'm then going to move it manually right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.